Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add Coil meta tag to your WordPress website. So make sure to go to coil.com and sign up over there. Once you become a member, you can access the settings. Okay, it would be on top right corner. Okay, now let's take a look at payouts part. Here I have added my wallet pointer, as you can see here, and if I want to add the address for monetization, I have to access how to monetize page, where you can see I have meta tag option, which can be added to any type of website. Okay, there is also option for WordPress. If you have any game that you wish to monetize, that would be possible if you have default framework. Also they have one for Unity as well. Okay, other platforms include Cinnamon, Dave, HackerNoon, then Twitch and Exposure. Okay, so for WordPress, you can take a look at this plugin. Okay, so it's Coil web monetization plugin. So we are going to search for this. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then for plugin click add new. Okay, now we have to search for this plugin. Okay, here you can see Coil web monetization by Coil. You can double check here, it's from Coil, and then click on install now. Now you can activate it. Okay, so after activation, let's take a look at where Coil appears. Here you can check the settings for Coil. Now here you can see set up your payment pointer option. You can click on global settings, configure the plugin. Let's first start with payment pointer. Okay, now here you can see payment pointer option, and I'm going to go to settings, and I already added payment pointer here. I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. Okay, then save the changes. Okay, now once global settings are saved, and go for content settings and check what to monetize. Okay, I'm not going to go for monetization of short URLs. Okay, and you can save the changes, right? And also change excerpts. Okay, you can choose to display. Okay, we don't have that option considering we used public settings. Okay, there is also messaging settings. Okay, so currently I don't have any, so I will leave it at that. Now let's verify the meta tag. Let's go to any random page. Okay, now here let me right click and view page source. Now if you search with search option, type in Coil, and you will find block that shows Coil web monetization. So it appears in every web page and post, so you know that your website is monetized using Coil web monetization meta tag. Okay, so apart from website, you can also monetize your other places such as Div, Twitch, exposure. Okay, and in setting there is also one option for connecting your YouTube channel as well, so that is one more option. Okay, so let me show you monetize content, and here you see here is the meta tag. This meta tag you can add in your website's theme settings. So let's say if I go to theme settings for Genesis, so it goes to directly in customizer, so you can choose footer content. So let's say we go to footer. Here you can use shortcodes and add that. Also you can use footer scripts and add the code. Okay, so if I want to use meta tag, I can use that here. Then click on publish. Okay, so you get the idea how to add Coil meta tag for web monetization on WordPress website.